Managing a busy family schedule is easier than ever with the Skylight Calendar. In 2026, this smart touchscreen calendar has become a popular home organization hub, syncing multiple calendars from services like Google, Apple, and Outlook into one clear, color-coded display. With features like chore tracking, meal planning, shared reminders, and mobile app control, it helps families stay organized and on track every day. Starting at number 1. Cozyla Digital Calendar Plus 2. The Cozyla Digital Calendar, available in white and 24-inch size, is a family-oriented smart device designed to enhance organization and collaboration. It features its own Cozyla Plus app and syncs with popular calendars like Google, Apple, and Outlook, allowing families to share, view, and edit events on one screen. The device includes a digital chore chart and reward system, where each family member is assigned a unique color and customizable avatar, making task management engaging and motivating by earning points for completed chores. Its customizable dashboard lets users download apps from the Google Play Store and organize widgets like calendars, chore charts, meal planners, to-do lists, media players, and weather updates to suit family needs. Additionally, the calendar simplifies meal planning by scheduling meals in advance, uploading custom recipes, and auto-generating shopping lists, saving time and reducing stress in the kitchen. Number 2. Digital Calendar. The Flyfish 27-inch HD touchscreen family planner is a smart digital calendar and chore chart designed to simplify family organization. Made of durable plastic, this device allows you to assign colors, add tasks, and manage events effortlessly with multiple views and features. Setup is quick and easy, just plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi, and sync calendars like Google, Outlook, iCloud, Cozy, and Yahoo within minutes. You can also add events directly on the device or via the eCalendar app. It includes an interactive task chart to motivate kids by earning stars and rewards, as well as a meal planning feature to display weekly menus and eliminate dinnertime confusion. When not in use as a calendar, it serves as a photo display with customizable albums. Additionally, you can create custom lists for various activities, such as packing for trips or holiday preparation. This family planner is both functional and versatile, helping families stay organized and connected. Number 3. 21.5-inch Smart Digital Calendar. The Dasfuo 21.5-foot digital device is designed to keep your family organized with its easy sync and zero subscription feature. It seamlessly syncs through a mobile app and is compatible with popular calendar apps like Google Calendar, iCloud, Outlook, Cozy, and Yahoo. It supports bidirectional operation and real-time synchronization between the device and the mobile app. The calendar frame is versatile and can be easily switched between functions. When in use, it serves as a digital calendar, helping you manage family affairs and dinner plans efficiently. When the calendar function is not needed, it can be transformed into a digital photo frame. You can upload your favorite photos through a free app and set them as a screensaver, turning the device into a beautiful photo frame to capture and display your cherished moments. Number 4. Yemsd 15.6-inch Digital Calendar. The Yemsd wall calendar features a 15.6-inch HD touchscreen with a 1920 by 1080 resolution, offering clear and glare-free visuals and easy operation. It comes with a 59.05-inch, 1.5mm data cable, allowing flexible placement on a wall or desk to fit various spaces like corridors, kitchens, apartments, homes, or offices. With Wi-Fi connectivity, it supports real-time synchronization with multiple calendar platforms such as Google, Outlook, Yahoo, iCloud, and Cozy through its app, enabling multiple users to add and edit schedules efficiently without subscription fees. Automatic app updates ensure smooth performance. Additionally, the calendar includes a built-in digital photo frame for displaying photos and videos during standby, along with AI photo restoration to enhance old pictures. With 32 GB of internal storage expandable via external SD cards, it also functions as a smart album to connect family emotions. Number 5. Cozyla Digital Calendar Plus 2 32-inch Wall Planner. The Cozyla 32-inch digital wall calendar is a perfect solution for family organization and productivity. It features its own Cozyla Plus app and syncs seamlessly with popular calendars like Google, Apple, and Outlook, allowing you to share, view, and edit events together on one screen. With its digital chore chart and reward system, family members can be assigned chores using a fun, personalized app where everyone has a unique color and customizable avatar. Completing chores earns points, making responsibilities both engaging and motivating. The customizable dashboard lets you download apps from the Google Play Store and organize widgets such as calendars, chore charts, meal planners, to-do lists, media players, and weather updates to suit your family's needs. Meal planning is made easy with the ability to schedule meals in advance, upload custom recipes, and auto-generate shopping lists based on your meal plan, saving time and reducing stress in the kitchen. This smart calendar helps eliminate family chaos and transforms your home into a harmonious and productive space. Every link to every Skylight model, including current stock alerts for the Magnolia edition, is in the description below. I've checked availability so you don't have to.